Hey guys, it's Splinter X. Welcome to my channel. And look this. Look, say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, now this is garden. And okay. I know. Okay. Okay, show us what we grow. Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then here.
The eggplants are getting huge. Awesome. Like.
White.
Okay.
No,
Look.
yellow.
That's
Yellow.
lime. I think that's lime. She seemed like it's like yellow. Oh, she got
Lime.
another one. Yeah, that's the color of lime. Come on. She got three.
Three.
Come on.
Okay, enough.
Oh, that's enough.
I
Oh look.
try this.
This is
See. Long.
Oh, yeah,
Oh.
that's
Acheto.
Yeah, actually, she's saying that it's
So
too small. Yeah, it's too small.
Mm.
Too small. Let's go check out the eggplant on. Don't mind. Come on. Diaku. Oh, pepper ma, bell pepper. Lettuce ma. I think she's saying like, what should I get? I don't know.
Okay, this.
Oh, I guess.
Oh, so
Whoa.
big.
Oh.
Too big.
That's too long.
Too long.
Longer than my.
Okay.
Oh, but see. Look. No, look. These are the eggplant. Okay. So now she got these. Bro, this is the. Now look. Already did this. We got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. That's what we're doing. Then she's good. Make sure to go to the YouTube shorts. Guys, look, a bubble. Bubble. Watch her cut out. Oh, it's just a wing. Okay. Watch her.
Okay.
More. Yeah. Okay, guys. She's the best chef. Onions. So stay tuned on part 2. See you guys and subscribe.